Are ATMs always open? How to operate an ATM 24/7. Have you ever needed cash late at night only to find the ATM was locked inside a closed store? It's frustrating, right? You expect an ATM to always be available, but the truth is, not all of them are. So today, we're answering the question, are ATMs really open 24/7? And if you're thinking about running an ATM business, we'll show you what it takes to keep your machine running around the clock. Why some ATMs aren't always open. Let's start with this. Not every ATM is available all the time. If the ATM is placed inside a business like a store, a bar, or a salon, it only works when that business is open. Once they close their doors, that ATM is off limits to the public. So if you plan to run an ATM business and want it accessible 24/7, the location matters a lot. Outdoor ATM options. On the flip side, some ATMs are open all the time, like ones placed outdoors. Think gas stations, parking lots, or right outside convenience stores. These machines are available day and night. But just because people can walk up to it doesn't mean it's always working. If it's offline, out of cash, or has a tech issue, it's out of service, even if it's technically open. How to keep an ATM running 24/7. So what do you need to run an ATM that's actually open 24/7? First, pick a smart location. Look for spots that never close or are open late, like gas stations, hotels, or transportation hubs. Second, IADs and site owners need to have reliable and stable communications with the ATM processor. If the ATM can't reliably connect, transaction can time out or fail. Having a deducted wireless modem for ATM transactions is the only way to guarantee reliable communications. Third, reduce downtime. That means staying on top of cash refills, fixing error codes quickly, and keeping the machine clean and secure. You don't have to do everything yourself. Many ATM owners use remote tools to monitor and manage their machines from home. Best locations for 24/7 ATMs. Here are some of the best locations for ATMs that stay open 24/7. Gas stations and convenience stores. Lots of traffic, especially at night. Hotels and motels. Guests need cash for tips, food, and transportation. Bus or train stations. Constant movement means regular use. Laundromats. People need change to do laundry. ATMs make that easy. Liquor stores and smoke shops. Many prefer cash transactions. Bars and nightclubs. High demand for cash, especially during late night hours. These places don't just offer great access. They also attract the kinds of customers who are likely to use an ATM. Final thought and tip. So, are ATMs always open? Not always, but yours can be if you plan it right. Choose a good location, keep it connected, make sure it stays stocked and running. More time open equals to more chances to earn. If you're serious about starting your own ATM business or want help setting up a 24/7 machine, head over to ATMDepot.com to get started today. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.